Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I'll show how can you use the date picker in Flutter. So here we can see in the screen that there is a date picker, and if I click on there we can select a date, and if I OK here, then we can see our date has came to the screen. So today we are gonna implement it. So to implement it, we have to take a stateful widget. What is it? I have already created a stateful widget so that its name is datetime scheme. So I'm going to change it to datetime screen, and after that we'll see nothing here. You can see there has nothing. So now I'm going to take a body and center, and inside the center child column, and we'll take a elif. Oh, we have to take a children, and here we have to take a elevated button, and I'm just rearranging it, uh, and inside the child we'll tell the button's name, which will I'm giving it date picker, or you can give it select date picker. So I'm just hot reloading it. After that you will see the date is up on the screen. To solve this problem, we'll simply write main axis alignment dot center. I think this problem will solve. So let's go to our work. So we have to initialize the variable like its string, and we're giving this name is datetime, and after that, so we are seeing an error here because we have to give a null check operator. What is the meaning of the null check operator? It can be, this date time can be null or can be take the value. So now move forward our work. So now I'm creating a method where I'll name it get date, and uh, method is created, and now I'll take date time and name it date, and to pick the date we have to simply write show. Here you can see show date picker. So I'm just going to rearranging it. So here you can see the first date and the last date. So first date means that I want to keep my date year up to 2000, and last date means I want to keep it until 2030. So whenever it's completed you will understood clearly. So let's do it. So for the context we'll write here build context, and for the date we'll write date time date time dot now dot year. What I told you, that's mean we are gonna in the past, so that we have to delete minus 224 because I'm going to the 2000, and after that came to the here date time, and also date time dot now, and here I have to plus dot year then I'm want to 2030 because it's 2024, so that I have to plus 6. And now you are seeing that we are the compiler showing us an error. So the error will solve. We have to give a null check, and also here we have to give a await because this is a asynchronous method. So our error has been solved, and it will this sign, and after that we'll write set state, and in this value will transfer to the date time. So write date time equals to date symbol and write to string, and after that comes to here, and here just write that date time equals to null. If date time equals to null, then print a text which will choose your date. If it is not null, then show text that date time. Here you can see it expecting as a string value, so we are giving it to string. After that error have gone, we just reloading it. Here you can see this time it's getting null value, so that it's printing choose your date whenever we are clicking on that method, but we did not call it, so we have to call it. So get date. After that it will definitely come. So here you can see whenever I am clicking on the date picker, it's coming 2022 and selecting 7 September. So here you can see that our we can pick our data, but it's not formatted. So to formatting our date, we have to comment it, and inside here date time equals to, we have to write date format, here date format, and here we have to write format, and inside the format we have to keep it date. So I have to write it date, and inside the date format you have to select which format you want to see your date. So here I want to see that firstly it will show me a date, and after that it will show me a month. M will be uppercase, and after that it will show me a year, and year it's usually 4 digit, so that I have taken 4y, and here we have to simply give a null check. After that our error is solved, and here we just, if I run it again and I'm choosing a date and 19, here you can see our date formation has completed. It's showing 19/9/2024. Suppose we don't want to see the month, so that whenever I'm reloading it and picking a date, it is not showing the month. So this is how you can take the date, and also you can use your date value. So I hope you understood the video. If you liked my video, please like and subscribe.